Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Better by Khalid. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are F major, A minor, G major, and E minor. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is F major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is G major. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. And our last chord for this song is E minor. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be F major for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, G major for 6 beats, and E minor for 2 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, 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 tap, down. Let's play that string pattern now on the F major chord. Down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down. And now let's combine that string pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through better. Love to see you shine in the night like the diamond you are. I'm good on the side, it's alright, just hold me in the dark. No one's gotta know what we do. Hit me up when you're bored, 'cause I live down the street, so we meet when you need, and I'm yours. All I hear is nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Oh no, we don't gotta hide. This is what you like, I'll admit. Oh yeah, nothing feels better than this. Now if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my play along video for Better. And that's how you play Better by Khalid. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out the rest of the products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.